researchers have accomplished a strange and controversial thing in the name of conservation. Using modern genetic engineering techniques, they've created mice with long, thick hair that resembles the scruff of the extinct woolly mammoth. It's unclear how their efforts benefit so-called resurrection biology, but one thing is for certain, the results of their experimentation are undeniably cute. The researchers are with Colossal Biosciences, a private American biotechnology firm. Colossal first sparked a scientific firestorm back in 2021, when its leadership claimed it would revive the long-extinct dodo, a mission that the firm is seemingly still committed to pursuing. But the woolly mammoth is also a common target of resurrection biologists, who aim to allow ancient species to walk modern Earth. In fact, this massive, furry animal is actually at the top of Colossal's De-Extinction Species Index, which claims that generating an organism that both resembles and is genetically similar to an extinct species is key to protecting our planet's biodiversity. Woolly mammoth mice might constitute the first step toward that goal. Recently, Colossal shared via social media that its scientists had created the Colossal Woolly Mouse, a mouse that has been genetically engineered to display woolly mammoth phenotypes or physical characteristics. Of course, those phenotypes had nothing to do with size or shape. Instead, they had almost everything to do with the mouse's hair. Instead of the short, silky, and flat fur found on a typical mouse, the woolly mouse is, well, woolly. Its hair is long, slightly coarse, and more prone to matting than its non-engineered counterpart. Colossal claims it also engineered the woolly mouse to metabolize fat like a woolly mammoth, though it didn't clarify what this entailed. This type of fur and this metabolism both exist separately in some living mice. The company simply combined them to create a particularly cold-resistant mouse. It's unclear how, or if, Colossal's admittedly adorable woolly mice benefit conservation or even resurrection biology. Colossal doesn't seem to have used woolly mammoth DNA to create the mice, it simply used traits present in extant mouse species. Particularly controversial is the idea that using extinct species DNA to make extant animals look or act like those species will actually aid any modern ecosystems. That idea is especially relevant to Colossal's next aim, to genetically edit the Asian elephant to make it look and behave like a woolly mammoth.